Section 1, Creating Slides. In this lesson, we will discuss how to add slides to your ignitables. To begin, double-click on the desired ignitable. Or alternately, click on Add or Edit Slides. You will be taken to the Slide Manager. Now, let's add some slides. Begin by pressing the Add Slides button. You will see that there are a number of methods for adding slides to your ignitable. From Screen Capture allows you to take pictures of your computer screen. From Video Files will allow you to insert a short video from an existing video file on your computer. From Image Files will allow you to select a digital picture file from your computer. From Webcam will turn your webcam on and begin to shoot a short video. From Microsoft PowerPoint will allow you to import an entire PowerPoint file as ignitable slides, and Blank Slide will create an empty slide that you can use as a placeholder for later modification. We will demonstrate from Screen Capture. Once you have learned the basics of this operation, the other methods will mostly be self-explanatory. You will see a short demo on how to shoot slides. The first step is to place your mouse pointer next to the point of interest on your computer screen. Then, shoot that screen by pressing your Print Screen key on your computer's keyboard. Finally, proceed to the next step in the process you wish to capture. For example, press the button you are hovering over with your mouse, or just move your mouse to another point on your screen. You can change which key on your keyboard is used to shoot a screen by clicking here. Whichever key you choose, we often refer to that key as the capture key. You will continue to repeat the point, shoot, action process until you have all of the steps captured that you wish to use in your presentation. Once you understand this process, click OK. Ignite 4 Standard will now minimize to your Windows taskbar. You are now in Shoot Slides mode. Now, just point, shoot, action. Keep repeating this sequence until you have all of the screenshots you need. To learn how to shoot slides, we will create a short 5-slide ignitable on how to insert a table into an MS Word document. Place your mouse pointer over the area of the screen you want to demonstrate or explain, and then press the Print Screen key, or the other capture key you may have selected, on your computer's keyboard. If the screen was successfully captured, you will hear the camera shutter sound you just heard through your computer's speakers. Place your mouse pointer over the next area of the screen you want to demonstrate or explain, and press the capture key again. Keep repeating this sequence until you have captured all of the screens you need. If you are capturing a series of steps that has a final result, be sure to capture one last slide showing the result of the steps performed. When you are done shooting slides, just click on the Ignite icon on your taskbar. You will then be returned to the Slide Manager, and you will see all of the slides you captured listed on the left and previewed on the right. Notice that Ignite 4 has added a red arrow pointing directly to the spot on the screen where your mouse pointer was positioned when you pressed the Capture key. Section 2. Adding text, audio, and moving the arrow. To add closed captioning text to each slide, type it into the text box below the slide preview. Describe the slide in as much detail as required. Then move to the next slide by clicking the right arrow icon. The process of recording voiceovers will go much more smoothly if you enter this slide text exactly as you plan to talk about this slide. Closed captioning text can be turned on by your viewers during playback in the event they do not have computer speakers, are hearing disabled, or just prefer to read rather than listen to the audio portion of your presentation. As mentioned earlier, the red guide arrow is placed wherever the tip of your mouse pointer was when you pressed the Capture key during the capture process. If you want to move the red guide arrow from its captured position to a new location, click and drag it to the new location, then drop it there. Let's return to the first slide and begin recording audio. Click Record Audio to record a voiceover or to import an existing audio file for the selected slide. Be sure your computer has access to a microphone before attempting to record. Click Record and begin speaking. Click Stop when you are finished speaking. To listen to the recording, click Play. You can re-record by pressing the red Record button again. Alternately, you can import an existing .wav or .mp3 audio file for the current slide by pressing Import. Press the Next Slide button to quickly record audio for the next slide. Once you're satisfied with the slide recordings, click Finish. You can always re-record your voiceovers later by clicking on any slide and pressing the Record Audio button again. Let's take a quick look at what the 5 slides we have created will look like when complete with audio and text. The next 5 slides in this tutorial are the actual slides we created as they will appear to your viewers. To add a table to an MS Word document, begin by clicking on the Table menu. Now, click on the Insert menu option. Next, select Table from the menu. Once you have verified the number of columns and rows you desire, click OK to insert the table into your document. Here is how the table will appear once inserted into your document. When you are done editing the slides, click Return to exit the Slide Manager and return to My Ignite library. Once you have been returned to the My Ignite library, notice that the preview frame now displays the first slide for the selected Ignitable, along with other helpful information, such as date created and last modified date. This concludes this lesson on creating slides. In the next lesson, we will show you how to preview your presentation and how to publish for web pages, CD-ROM, email, and IgniteCast.com so you can instantly share it with anyone in the world.